Greetings, this is Jeff from CAN Tech Support, and today we're going to learn how to make a backup and how to restore it in Entra Pass Corporate Edition and Global Edition, since they do share the same interface. Now, first thing we'll want to do is start by going into our workstation. There's two ways to do a backup. We can do it from the workstation or from the server. Let's start from the workstation. Let's go to Options, Backup Scheduler. And now you can see here the different types of backups that you can do. There's the data backup, which is basically all your card information, site configuration, and so forth. Then there's the archive backup. The archives is all the transactions that happened, so access denied, access granted, door forced open, stuff like that. And then there's the in and out backup. The in and out backup is for when you're doing time and attendance. And finally, the video backup is used when you are using the Entra Pass Video Vault. It will help you back up your videos. Now, back to the data backup. First of all, the location, the backup folder, so we can go to a specific folder, or let's just go to the default folder, and I'll show you later where that is. Now, backup type, either separate files or self-extracting, it doesn't really matter, it's both the same thing. Now, backup frequency would be if you want, when you would want to do the backup, either weekly, monthly, daily. But in our case, we want to do one right now, so we're going to check the checkbox that says Now at the bottom. Go, and then we're going to click OK. And there we go. We can see an event that's generating, telling us that it's doing our backup right now. Now let's minimize this and go to the location where the backup was stored. So you can see it's on the C drive, program files x86, CanTech, server_CE, and then backup. You see the folder starts with the letter D as in Donald for data, and then there's the date and time. Okay, so now let's go to the server, and we'll see how we can do a backup from the server and how we can actually restore a backup once it's done. So first of all, let's go to the backup tab and let's create a backup. You see I selected backup data. We see the same kind of interface. Basically, it's showing me where the backup will be stored, which is our default folder. And I could even do a backup inside of a backup. That's possible, yes. So let's go ahead and click OK. There we go, and now it's creating a backup. And the backup was successfully done. So we can go ahead and click OK on that, and we're going to close this window. And now, how do you restore a backup? So in the server, we go to backup, then restore data, and then we want to select our folder. You want to double click on the folder. When you do, you see the OK button lights up. So to restore a backup, you click OK. And you can see our backup is restoring now. And once the backup is successfully completed or successfully restored, you will get an event generated. There you go. So you can click the OK button and your data backup has been restored. Hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day.